Hi guys, welcome back to another video from frogtalk, and today is going to be part 2 of recreating a streetwear style for American Girl dolls. First, I'm going to be making lightning jeans. This was like a trend on TikTok, so I'm going to be cutting out the pattern pieces, and then I will make the jeans, which is pretty simple. I'm following a pattern, and then I will bleach like some swirly kind of squiggles on it, I guess, and then I will be going over it with some white paint to create the lightning look. Here I am setting up my sewing machine, and as you can see, I had a little bit of a problem, and I ended up not using my foot pedal for this project. Here is where I sewed together the pant legs, so I had to start that part over. To recreate this off-white cropped t-shirt, so I just made a very simple American Girl doll t-shirt, cropped it, and then drew kind of the off that you see on this shirt. Next, I'm going to be making a bucket hat. I used a pattern from the Essentials Club, but I just shrunk it down to make it American Girl doll size. This part's really sped up because it was really boring. And then next I'm going to be doing some contrast stitching on the brim of the bucket hat to kind of give it more of a streetwear style feel. Finally, I'm going to be making a small purse that will be black to match the bucket hat and the word on the shirt. So this I didn't have a pattern for, I just kind of made it up as I went, but I think it ended up turning out pretty well. I had to use some paper clips, which was really interesting, but I think it turned out well. the sun was pretty bright, so you can't really see the text on the shirt, but I think it turned out really well. I think she looks really cute, and so let me know what you think. Here's the clip from Berry AG. She made an incredible 2 outfits. They look really good, and she was such a pleasure to work with. Make sure you go check out her channel. And here are the looks from Fangirl of Dolls. They look super good as well. I love these. Please go check out her channel. And lastly, we have the looks that were created in the part 1 of this video. So if you haven't watched that yet, make sure to go watch it now. Thank you for watching!